Sadnam and welcome to your Kundalini Yoga class. My name is Tina. My spiritual name is Sanjit Prakash Ka. And if you are new to my channel, just following along. So these classes are very short classes. They are some a little bit longer, but in general they are very short classes. And if you are interested to join along a 60-minute class or even a 90-minute class, you're welcome to contact me directly. There are plenty of other opportunities where you could join a live class. And if you want to know about new possibilities, just subscribe to my channel and like and share and invite your friends to do this Kriya together. That's the most fun. So if you do it with someone, having some nice uplifting energy between you and your friends. So in today's class, we are focusing on a beautiful meditation, which is called to eliminate our ego. So ego is not something bad in general, but if the ego is too big and if our action are coming from our ego, that's not good. So what we are aiming, especially the yogis are aiming for, to keep the ego very small so that the soul can lead us. And we are coming from this space, from the heart space. It's not a mindset. It's not like, I want to do that. It's more like, let me see what else is possible. And then the soul has made a contract, basically, before we came to this planet. So we should start to trust our soul and the guidance of our soul. So this meditation, it's all about that, basically, in simple words explained. So for now, let's tune in and bring your hands together. Place your hands into your heart space. Your shoulders are pulling down and slightly back. If you can, sit on a pillow so that elevates your heart. And then close your eyes gently down. Take a deep breath through your nose and exhale. And we are tuning in with the mantra Om Namo Gurudev Namo, chanting this 3 times out loud together. Deep breath in to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Deep breath in. Hold your breath, set your intention, and exhale, relax. Bring your hands back towards your knees and keep your hands on your knees, and we start circling our torso around our pelvis. We are inhaling when we are in front, exhaling at the back. Making nice big circles, but keeping the spine straight and elongate. Especially when we are leaning forward and to the sides. next time you're in front, you switch the direction, go the other way around. Inhale in front, exhale at the back. Inhale, exhale, happen through your nose. And slowly come back to the center. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Extend your arms to your side, bring your hands on your shoulders, and we twist to the left. Inhale, exhale to the right. Inhale left, exhale right. Come back to the center, deep inhale and exhale, relax. Keep your hands on your knees with your next inhale. We pull the shoulders to our ears, exhale, drop them down, inhale up, exhale down. Nearly there. And inhale, pull your shoulders to your ears. Hold your breath, apply mul band, pull the root lock. And exhale, relax, release. So we are extending our arms to the side. The right palm is down. The left palm is facing up. Fingers are firm. Fingers are close together and very straight, and the thumbs are pointing outwards. The eyes are 1/10 open, so you're focusing on the tip of the nose. And we will chant a mantra, and the words are Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal, Akaal Murad Vaheguru. Okay. It's also we are calling on our soul that we are not dying. So our soul never dies. The physical body dies. Our aura will die. But the subtle body and the soul, the subtle body will be around our soul when we are leaving the physical body and going back towards the source, towards God, towards the light, you name it, what suits you best. Okay. So come in position. And we will chant this mantra out loud. You're welcome to chant along the music. It's always beautiful to chant out loud. Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal Satnam, Akaal Murad Vaheguru. Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal Satnam, Akaal Murad Vaheguru. Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal Satnam, Akaal Murad Vaheguru. Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal Satnam, Akaal Murad Vaheguru. Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal Satnam, Akaal Murad Vaheguru. Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal Satnam, Akaal Murad Vaheguru. Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal Satnam, Akaal Murad Vaheguru. Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal Satnam, Akaal Murad Vaheguru. Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal Satnam, Akaal Murad Vaheguru. Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal Satnam, Akaal Murad Vaheguru. Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal Satnam, Akaal Murad Vaheguru. Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal Satnam, Akaal Murad Vaheguru. Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal Satnam, Akaal Murad Vaheguru. Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal Satnam, Akaal Murad Vaheguru. Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal Satnam, Akaal Murad Vaheguru. Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal Satnam, Akaal Murad Vaheguru. Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal Satnam, Akaal Murad Vaheguru. Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal Satnam, Akaal Murad Vaheguru. Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal Satnam, Akaal Murad Vaheguru. Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal Satnam, Akaal Murad Vaheguru. Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal Satnam, Akaal Murad Vaheguru. Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal, Satnam Akaal Murta Vaheguru, Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal, Satnam Akaal Murta Vaheguru, Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal, Satnam Akaal Murta Vaheguru, Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal, Satnam Akaal Murta Vaheguru, Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal, Satnam Akaal Murta Vaheguru, Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal, Satnam Akaal Murta Vaheguru, Sat Siri Siri Akaal, Siri Akaal, Maha Akaal, Maha Akaal, Satnam Akaal Murta Vaheguru, Sal Murta Vaheguru, Akaal Murta Vaheguru. Deep inhale. And then bring both arms above your head so that the palms touching each other. And hold your breath. Exhale, maintain the posture. Deepest inhale. Stretch up. Hold your breath. Suspend your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Hold, suspend. Come the suspension of your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. 2 more times. Deepest inhale. Hold. Exhale, and the last one. Deep inhale. Stretch up, hold, suspend your breath. And exhale, swipe through your aura, relax your hands onto your knees. And then bring the hands together in prayer pose, and we are clothing the class with a Satnam. Deep inhale to begin. Satnam. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this short set, and wishing you a wonderful day and looking forward to see you next week. Lots of love. Satnam.